Hello. We are the Minimum Enterprise, as you know. Um, well, we would like to know what are your future vocational plans. If you could say something about it.
Well, my idea is learn everything I can about your company and learn your method of work to improve my skills.
Okay, then I would like to know how do you spend your spare time? With,
Usually I spend the few free time that I have primarily on doing the work that I have, and the other hand, I try to spend my time enjoying my family and friends.
okay, why do you think you might like to work for our company?
It's a competent company, and I think that I have much to learn about you. I think it will be a good job and make me improve my skills thanks to your company.
Nice. And why did you choose this particular field of work?
Well, since I was a little boy, I was like the computers, and I think that this field of work is in expansion and has many jobs opportunities.
Um, have you paid for your studies?
At first, like everyone, my education was paid by my parents, but now I pay my own studies.
Okay. What do you know about our company?
Your company is highly rated in this field, always giving opportunities to new people, and that's a plus.
Okay. Why do you think you would like this work? Well, this job?
Because I want to keep learning and think that your company can offer that and more in order to have a good professional future.
Okay. And what are your major weaknesses and strengths?
Well, about weaknesses, I don't exactly know what to tell you, but some of the strengths that I may have is that work well in a team, in a teamwork.
And do you like the routine work?
Absolutely not. The routine work may be all right at the beginning in order to get adapted in the new work style, but always doing the same thing because monotonous and boring. I hate it.
Okay. How do you feel about teamwork?
I think that the teamwork should be more fomented in the companies. In my opinion, working in groups, the people improve the skills and their desire to continue working.
Well, okay.
Thanks for
Nice
your
to meet
time.
you, and we'll call you. Bye.
Well, the first question: what are your future vocational plans?
I would like to work in your company as many years as it's possible, because I think it's a good company. Um, and in studies field, I would like to take some operative systems certifications and programming course.
Okay. How do you spend your spare time?
I try to learn more about my study by looking at tutorials and, and things like that. And I also go running, and I am monitoring a Boy Scout association, so I take care of boys and girls about 12 and 14 years old.
Well, Why do you think you might like to work for our company?
Well, I read really nice comments about your company. Uh, and in the internet, they told that you're a good company, and and my opinion is that you are an important company on the IT field.
Okay. Why did you choose your particular field of work?
Well, because since I finished the secondary school, the secondary studies,
Okay.
I I wanted or I decided to focus my studies in IT. And and I really like this field of work because it allows me to design and program, and I love doing that.
Well, have you paid for your studies?
And no, my parents decided to pay the, the studies because they didn't want me to get distracted by having to work during my studies.
Okay. What do you know about our company?
Well, I I read in the internet that you have a nice treat to your employees. So so I wanted to ask to work here because you are a big company, and well, I I like your comments on it.
Well. Why do you think you would like this job?
And because I like programming, and your company may help me improving in this because it's what you're asking for, wasn't it?
What is your major weakness and your strength?
Well, my major weakness is that I am really stubborn, and when something doesn't work, uh, something doesn't work as I want or I thought it had to work, I I don't stop working on it until I finish.
Well.
And my strength, and I like to work in group because you can compare your knowledge with the others, and make a better work.
Do you like routine work?
Um, I don't actually like it because it's not entertaining, and when you don't when you get bored on your work, you get bored. So so it isn't good to do a routine work.
Uh, how do you feel about teamwork?
I really like teamwork. It's really useful for each member of the team because you can learn about the others, no, from the others, and it allows you to do a better work, as I said before.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you, Victor.
Okay, bye.